how it's made. Mascot costumes are not known for their comfort, but today's outfits are lightweight and some even come with an exhaust system complete with a tiny fan inside the head. That means the mascot doesn't have to sweat it out to drum up a little team spirit. This dinosaur mascot is part of a new breed. The costume has evolved into something with real creature comforts. To make this dinosaur, a sketch design is made. Then the artist modifies the figure to human proportions, targeting a height of 5'10". The artist designs huge eyes and an extravagant mouth, and not just for creative reasons. The large openings will give the mascot performer room to see and to breathe through screens. A sculptor carves big pieces of lightweight, uncrushable foam. With a utility knife, he shapes the dinosaur's head based on the design pattern. Traditionally, fiberglass has been used for mascot heads, but foam is half the weight. A battery pack is attached inside the head, at the back of the neck. It's tested to make sure it has enough juice to power this tiny square exhaust fan, which is to be placed inside the head at the top. Glue is sprayed on the foam, sticking the sculpted layers of foam together. Now the dinosaur head is starting to shape up. Those enormous eye holes are cut out. And the head is tried on for size. Visibility and ease of movement are also checked. Next, the sculptor slices into a very dense piece of foam. It's dense because it will need to hold up to heavy traffic. This is the dinosaur's foot. Foam is scooped out from the centre of the foot, hollowing out an area. More is carved out, following a pattern of a size 12 shoe. The outside of the foam is rounded with a belt sander. Now the foot is fully sculpted and ready for the fabric department. There, heavy-duty glue is sprayed on the outside of the foot, and a nylon fleece fabric is stretched over it. The fabric has a lot of give, so it can be tightly pulled into the grooves of the foam. Now adhesive is sprayed onto the bottom of it, and the excess fabric is cut off. The seams are stitched with strong thread. Then, a rugged rubber sole is glued onto the bottom of the dinosaur's foot. This is a claw, made of nylon stuffed with polyfill. It takes 3 hours to make a foot. Now, it's back to the other end. An eye is glued onto the mascot's head. The eye is made of breathable nylon stretched over a plastic frame. A horn, made of fabric-covered foam, is sewn on. Then the nostrils are also stitched on. And now, the mascot has some expression. But there's one more step. A white nylon screen is glued over the mouth, and black fabric strips are stuck over it to give the mascot a smile. Now a worker drafts a pattern for the outer body. It will go over an inner body suit that will give the mascot its rotund shape. The liner fabric for the outer body is cut following the pattern. And then the same pattern is followed for the outside fleece. 3 layers, fleece, foam and liner, are all sewn together. This serger machine cuts off excess fabric as it sews and binds the edges. The scales are stitched onto the back of the dinosaur mascot. And now it's time to give the suit a test run. Fits like a glove. But what's the view like from inside that head? Not too bad. He makes sure he won't lose his head in all the excitement. And this is one dinosaur who's ready for the 21st century.
you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up